100 million peso flood mitigation project in a community in Arayat, Pampanga collapsed midway into construction in 2024. The locals or barangay residents hint on substandard materials used to blame for the collapse. But the project contractor pointed to a softening or sinking group for the debacle, as our JM Pineda lays out in this report.
Helen always felt anxious whenever heavy rains pour in their area in Barangay Candating, Arayat, Pampanga. This is because the Pampanga River at the back of their house is now only inches away. And once it overflows, their community is the first to be submerged in floodwaters that rise above head level. On top of that is the possibility of a landslide at the back of their house.
May pangamba, kaya lang siguro dahil dati kasi malayo-layo pa yan. Malayo pa yan mga ilang pang ano. Kung susumayin mo yung layo namin dati sa ilog, isang ganito pa kahaba. Mahaba pa talaga. Kaya lang, nung panahon na yon yung baha dito, pagbababa kasi yung tubig, sumasama yung lupa. Kaya ganun na natitibag yung lupa. Kaya lumuluwag yung ilog.
As a solution, she raised her house by 3 steps to avoid being reached by floodwater. The flood control project or slope protection built in their barangay was supposed to be a big help for Helen and the community. This serves as a barrier once the river swells, preventing water from immediately entering homes. The flood mitigation project reportedly amounting to 100 million pesos as mentioned by Senator Ping Lacson, however, was allegedly built substandard by the contractors. PTV News visited the project site and residents recounted that it already collapsed back in 2024. The remains of the fallen barrier can still be seen. According to them, the project spanned 110 meters, covering about 20 houses near the Pampanga River. They added that a new flood mitigation project was also built in the area last year, but during its construction, the project collapsed.
Actually, sir, nung pong panahon na yon, nung last year na 2024, buwan ng August, aros malapit na pong matapos. Ginagawa po yung phase 1, phase 2. Ngayon, yung ginawa nilang una, nung nakaraan na taon, nung year 2023, yun nga po ang bumigay. Kaya hindi man nakaalis at hindi pa natapos ang project ng contractor sa phase 1 at phase 2, nagkaroon na pong problema yung dating ginawa nila.
The contractor explained to them that the soil in the area had loosened.
Ang sanhi ng pagkaguho ng slope protection, yung pong tubig na kung tawagin namin dito po sa amin yung sibol na nanggagaling sa mga bahay-bahay, parang dahil nakasabat po sa mga seat pile yung tubig, parang lumalambot daw po yung lupa. Kaya ganun na bumigay.
The barangay chairman added that the materials used for the flood mitigation project do not appear to be substandard, since he personally monitors the project to ensure it will benefit the residents of Barangay Candating. Meanwhile, the Arayat LGU is planning to dig new water channels along the Pampanga River beside Barangay Candating. They explained this would help divert strong currents, which are also a factor in soil erosion. We also tried to reach some representative of the contractor at the site, but they declined to grant an interview. JM Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.